Hi there. Do you want to boost your online sales and increase your revenue? Here are 20 tips to creating an irresistible offer. Brought to you by Nitin Jain from Mentors Consulting. Tip number 1 to boost your online sales. Create a $1 offer. Selling something for $1 means that you will get as many sales as possible. This overcomes the objection to spending lots of money. The process of doing this, though, will, in turn, show that your transaction process can be trusted. Tip number 2 to boost your online sales. Run a discount. This lets you test different price points but also creates a sense of urgency. Tip number 3. Use a video. Video can be extremely effective for conveying a message quickly while also creating an emotional response. It is far more engaging than text. Here is tip number 4. Make it different. Have a USP. Don't sell the same thing everyone else is. This tip number 5 is really useful. Presentation is everything. The way you make your product look, even if it's just an ebook, can transform the perceived value and excitement. Here is tip number 6 to boost your online sales. Tell a story. The narrative is SEO for the human brain. This engages people and gets them emotionally invested. Here is tip 7. Drop the hard to understand words. Sales pages and home pages covered in technical jargon and words that are hard to understand to the reader do nothing to build interest in your service or offer. Number 8. Know your audience. Create a buyer persona and try to get inside the head of your ideal customer. Tip number 9. Offer free value. Give as much away for free as you can. This builds goodwill while also allowing you to demonstrate the value you are capable of offering. Here is tip number 10 to create an irresistible offer. Ask the audience. Not sure why your item isn't selling? Why not just ask the people to whom you are trying to sell it? Research the competition. See what your competition is doing to set yourself apart and gain ideas. Having a value proposition is crucial to create an irresistible offer. Know how your product makes life better. Focus on this in order to sell. This tip is highly successful. Create a sense of urgency. Most sales are made on an impulse. Don't let your visitors leave and think about it. Use psychology. Understanding the psychology of your audience will allow you to sell much more effectively. This tip is highly successful. Create multiple offers. Having multiple offers for your items means you can appeal to people with a range of options while also increasing the total spend incrementally. Don't try to appeal to everyone. Appeal to everyone and you will appeal to no one. Provide the best service. Good service will come back and reward you. Have a money-back guarantee. This is an easy way to overcome many of the most pertinent objections to buying. Offer value. Too many people look for ways to sell quickly. Don't focus on that. Focus on ways to offer an amazing experience to your buyers. The rest will come. SEO for the human brain. This is far more important than SEO itself. Understand how to get your audience to react, and you can sell anything. Thanks. We hope you liked these tips.